In this video, we're going to install WordPress on a web hosting server. I'm on Namecheap, which uses Cpanel, so this tutorial will work almost the same for any host that uses Cpanel. So we've already bought the domain and the hosting on the same platform, and we can go test to make sure it works. Again, if you haven't bought the domain and the hosting on the same plan and in the same platform, then go ahead and check out the other tutorials. But let's go ahead and try to go to the website name. So hello, I like pie.xyz. It's going to say this site can't be reached, something, 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 and it's because we haven't done anything in our cPanel yet. So what we want to do is we want to go into our cPanel, which is kind of like where we have all of a bunch of different server settings and a bunch of different tools that we can use to adjust the site. So I'm going to go into the cPanel, and then I'm going to just close out of that because we don't need it. And so what I want to do is I want to go to this WordPress script. And if you didn't see that, it should also be in, I think it's like Softalicious. Maybe not, WordPress. WordPress Manager by Softalicious. I think you can get here under the software as well. Okay, and I'm going to say install a fresh copy of WordPress. Okay, and then we want to use https:// and I'd almost always recommend this. The www is kind of not necessary, or what I like to do is I like to set up redirects. So www redirects to this version of the domain, of the URL. So I choose https:// and then the domain. And then if you want to install it in a very specific part of the URL, like you want to install this entire site under the blog or something like that, then you can use this thing. But I'm going to keep it blank for now. Okay, and they have a SSL was not found, so we can deal with that later. So I'm going to set up all of this stuff is editable. So my blog, my WordPress blog, we're just going to keep that default for now. I'm going to say John is my username. I'm going to copy this password and paste it somewhere. And then they give you an admin email, and you can use your personal email or whatever. I'm just going to keep it the default. And then I'm going to, we don't need to have any plugins, although limiting the login attempts could be something you want to do to prevent hackers from brute forcing your website. There's other tools you can use to do that though. So I'm going to keep English, and then I don't think we need any advanced options. And then select a theme. I'm just going to leave it as the default, and then I'm going to hit install. Okay, the software was installed successfully. It has been installed at helloilikePie.xyz, and then it gives us an admin URL, which is always /wp-admin for WordPress. Okay, so the site has been installed. Let's go back to the site and try to refresh. Okay, and we're still not getting anything. And so this actually should have worked. I am not exactly sure why it didn't work, and so I contacted support off screen, and it's just a demonstration of how helpful Namecheap is with their support. So I actually didn't do anything wrong. It was just some propagation. So I said, I get this domain can't be reached, and then they said give me a few minutes, and they had to sync the zone, I guess, and it ended up just being propagation time. So we needed to just wait. And now if we refresh, we should get this page is working. And we do not have it secure, so we'll want to fix that next. And we'll do that in the next video. But while I have you on this video, let's see if we can log into the admin area. So you can do that two ways, wp-admin with a slash at the end of the URL or the domain. And yeah, we're gonna have problems with this, but we can proceed if you're on a Chrome browser at least, and then we can do enter your username and password. Depending on which browser, they might not let you do this. So we might have to do the HTTPS first. But anyway, we are in the dashboard area. And then the other way to do that is to get, in via the WP login.php. So WP login.php should take you to the same page. So those are two different ways. Again, we'll just try it again. John and the password. And there we are in. And we still need to fix this HTTPS problem because we are routing to a secure URL when we don't have an SSL installed. So we need to fix that, and we're going to do that in the next video. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and articles dedicated to helping you build an amazing website without writing code. We also cover topics like SEO and growing your business. Click the bell to be notified about our latest videos, and let us know what you thought by liking the video and leaving a comment. Finally, check out our website in the description to see our latest products and services we offer and how we can help you accomplish your goals.